Animal Dynamics has a very proactive view of safety, especially aviation safety. It's an area I'm personally responsible for. Before we leave the workshop, we have a series of pre-flight checks just to make sure the system's in a good condition. Then once we get to the flight site, we carry out some final checks as well as turning the system on and check all the systems are functioning. This is all done to a very systematic checklist to make sure we don't miss anything by our two very experienced aircraft technicians.
I think being a pilot for Animal Dynamics, one of the most challenging things is that no one else does this. So very much we're having to take skill from flying other types of aircraft and then convert it into flying this and learn sort of on the job. As we go forward and progress into our product, it will become fully autonomous and our role as pilots will become less and less, but at this stage we're mostly doing data collection to inform our product.
I'm excited to see this bird fly. It's an amazing aircraft. To see it fly with all the work that we put into it, it's an amazing accomplishment, I feel.
We were recently invited to take part in a naval heavy lift challenge where we had to demonstrate a maritime capability of our payload. Sonar buoys are a means of the Navy carrying out maritime surveillance for underwater objects. So we wanted to demonstrate to the Navy that we could carry that payload for them.
The most visual exciting test I've done is the payload drop. That's something I've never done before. It requires a lot of technical developments so that the ground element speaks to the air element with the pilot in the mix. So that was a very exciting milestone.
I think one of the really great things at working at Animal Dynamics is every day you can see tangible progress in the way we work. The environment is a fun place. People seem to enjoy coming into work. But I think everyone also understands kind of what we're trying to do here as well in terms of creating a really unique product that can help save people's lives.